Greetings of peace and prosperity. I am Nadine Marakmad and this is the group 1 with our topic, light reaction in photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, the light-dependent reactions take place on the cycloid membranes. The inside of the cycloid membrane is called the lumen, and the outside of the cycloid membrane is the stroma, where the light-independent reaction takes place. The cycloid membrane contains some integral membrane protein complexes that catalyze the light reactions.
Light reaction in photosynthesis. The photosystem absorbs light energy through pigment primary chlorophylls, which are responsible for a green color of leaves. The light-dependent reactions begin in photosystem 2, when a chlorophyll, a molecular within the reaction center of PSII, absorbs a photon. An electron in this molecular attains an excited energy level. Because this state of an electron is relatively unstable, the electron is transferred to an electron acceptor molecular, creating a chain of redox reaction called an electron transport chain. What do light reactions start with? The series of light-dependent reactions begins when sunlight hits a molecular of chlorophyll located in photosystem 2. This excites an electron to which leaves the chlorophyll molecular and travels along the thylakoid membrane via a series of carriers proteins known as the electron transport chain.
Light reaction in photosynthesis. Cytochrome B6F and ATP synthase work together to create ATP. This process called photophosphorylation occurs in two different ways. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, cytochrome B6F uses electron from PS2 and energy from PS1 to pump protons from the stroma to the lumen. The result proton gradient across the cycloid membrane creates proton motive force used by ATP synthase to form ATP.
Light reaction in photosynthesis. The two photosyntheses are protein complexes that absorb a protein and are able to use this energy to create a photosynthetic electron transport chain. Ang dalawang photosynthesis ay isang protina na kung saan nakapagbibigay ito ng protons at nagagamit ang enerhiyang ito upang lumikha ng isang photosynthetic electron transport chains. Photosynthesis 1 and 2 are both special proteins called light harvesting complexes to absorb the protons with very high effectiveness. Ang dalawang photosynthesis na ito ay parehong gumagamit ng espesyal na protina na ito ay tinatawag na light harvesting complex upang makasipsip ito ng mga proton na may mataas na effective. If a special electron in this pigment attains the excited state and then is transferred to another molecule in the reaction center. Kapag ang isang espesyal na molecule's photosynthesis reaction center ay nakapag-absorbs ito ng proton, sa kadahilanan ang electron na ito ay nakakuha ng mas exciting na estado at pagkatapos ililipat naman ito sa iba't ibang molecules. This reaction, called proto-induced charge separation, is the start of the electron flow and transform light energy into chemical form. Ang reaksyon na ito is what we called proto-induced charge separation. Ang proto-induced charge separation ay nagsimula ito sa pagdaloy ng electron flow and transform light energy into chemical forms.
Importance of light reaction in photosynthesis. The main purpose of the light reaction is to generate organic energy molecules such as ATP and NADPH, which are needed for the subsequent dark reaction. Chlorophyll absorbs the red and blue segment of the white light, and photosynthesis occurs most efficiently at this wavelength. The light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis convert solar energy into chemical energy, producing ATP and NADPH or NADH to temporarily store this energy. In oxygenic photosynthesis, H2O serves as the electron donor to replace the reaction center electron, and oxygen is formed as a byproduct.